So this is a 2002 Honda Shadow Ace. There's a couple different variants of Honda Shadows. This one happens to be the one with the fat front tire and the more vintage looking fenders. You know, the big fat fenders, kind of like a Fat Boy, right? Harley Davidson, something like that. This is going to be a cold start of the bike. You put the key down here. Obviously, turn your fuel on, right? Turn the bike on. Pull out your choke. Make sure that you're set to run. You want to make sure you're actually in neutral as well. It's too bright out here to see the neutral safety switch, but I know I'm in neutral. Start the bike up. Cold start. Fairly quiet bike, 2-into-1 exhaust. Makes a fair amount of noise once it gets going. So again, this is a 750. I know they made 600s, 900s. I believe there are 1100 versions of the Shadow. This is the A.C.E. American Classic Edition. Got a single seat on here. Honda makes it real easy. The pillion seat is a separate item, just bolts on. There's obviously accommodations here to put a backrest on for your pillion. Not too cold-blooded. Alright, well, this particular bike we bought for a very, very cheap price. This is not my bike. This is actually a Father's Day present for my girlfriend's father. He's expressed an interest in riding with us, and this will enable him to do so. Cool. The 2002 Honda Shadow Ace 750.